Greetings! For designing the eyebrow, we use a combination of Eyeshadow Rouge 884 and Eyeshadow 565 and Cleansing Lotion. To prepare a light foundation, we can use combination of Cream Makeup B2 and PF, and Grimas M8 brush to apply it with. Not to forget to get the extra moist of Cream Makeup by Latex Sponge. Apply fixing powder on the eyelids for fixation. Then choose the desired color from Pear Eyeshadow Palette and use it as shadow. We use Eyeshadow Rouge 101 and Cleansing Lotion for drawing eyelines. Apply mascara, then using proper glue, paste Eyelash 101. And renew eyelines by black Tooth Enamel. For facial dark areas, use a combination of Cream Makeup D8 and LE, then B2 and PF for the bright areas. We could use Cream Makeup 201 to have more volume. Fade highlights and shadows and fix them using fixing powder. A combination of Eyeshadow Rouge 887, 519, and 580 is used as a blush. Pink, beige, pearl white, and golden pearlites are used for face bright areas. We use Makeup Pencil 527 as lips foundation. Then apply Lipstick 521 by SL6 brush.